It up, obviously, another split me go roll it up. When we touch the ghetto streets, I let the massive big get up to say we work for we own so familiar if we keep it up. Roll out, shack out. Them never know say Bobo Kalabash Shakoma Bosana dash out, roll out, match out. Them never know say Rastafari Koma Bosana dash out, peep peep. Here come the conqueror. Watch how you waffle because this is me dara me tell them peep peep. Yo, blah. Me did that tell you them I go bust the vibes to the furnace.
But that makes sense. But couldn't reggae guy. Reggae Nichivan. I think Mafumo had to do that one. Would you want to do something like Mafumo style? Because he has gone international. He has stayed in the States for a while now, and he's adopted the international level. Are you going to be able to reach those levels?
Yes, I already have some international level music that me work on a cultural note, just like Big Man Mukanya. You see that? May have some of the songs boiling up in the studio. I'm working to show people such that when I fly foreign and go reach foreign, I have to make sure I say them know the man come from Africa. Which part? Zimbabwe. So me I show them the identity of the type of vibe that is played in Zimbabwe. Is that a thing? May have something like that.
Right. Taking this thing locally now, we understand that Winky D launched an album on the 31st or the 1st of this year, and it has caused a lot of waves. What's your comment on this album?
Yo, sometimes when I have to talk a lot, we just say, what is to be, let it be. Otherwise, what goes around comes around. I know where it is heading, but still, Winky D, I'm an artist, and he has his fans. You see the thing? I do not know which obstacles might come up on the way, but music, when it hits you, you feel no pain. The only thing you get to know is what it says. Because when art comes, you can't restrict art when it comes. But the way you express your art, some of the time you have to be positive and stay neutral. You see the thing? I haven't listened much to his new album, but I will. But the only thing that I know is a Zimbabwean, an artist has to stay neutral. Because there's rumors spreading around and say, the youth try undermine the government. I don't know too much about it. And I know in it, you see the thing. Because I know say I have to be neutral and just sing songs of One Love UNITY. Me just sing songs when I come for battle anyone. But remember say, if you rebel against anyone, they might go come back to you, you know. Take it by your mama, take it by your father, take it by your friends and everyone. You see that? Come like you're isolated. So you just have to do good, and you do good today. Good over evil, girl over gun. And that we say in a Rastafari movement. Selassie.
I want to comment on the new Winky D album. But as we know that this album is causing a lot of waves, and we have seen artists that are now backtracking. Some are retracting. I don't know what's going on, but we will talk to more artists about the launch and the new album for Winky D. So in the meantime, stay tuned to Sly Media. My name is DJ. It is your internet. You call what? Your entertainment DJ. I wanted to say internet, but anyway, it is Sly Media. We are the first.
Remember, every Sunday we have mad reggae Sundays. They're on T's, Caster FM, and back to back with the DJ Eno. You see the thing? Guess who the MC is? Me did that tell you a long time. Bobo Kalabash is the MC every mad Sunday from 6 p.m. till 10. T's, Caster FM. Tune in from alongside DJ Eno. Boss the place. Blah! Another sound dead. Biggest sound round the place. 2 reggae-matic sound. Ready for the people. Watch it. It up, obviously, another split me go roll it up. When we touch the ghetto streets, I let the massive big get up to say we work for we own so familiar if we keep it up. Roll out, shack out.